Presenting the Ford 2017 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: equipment crew 301A mid, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo single CD player, radio, single CD with Sirius XM satellite, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.